I like to use a tablet when I fly because the screen is a lot bigger and I can see more clearly what's going on, but also I don't get notifications popping up on my screen like I do when I'm flying with my phone. You have a couple of options. One is just fit the iPad or other tablet in your folding arms, just like that. If it's small enough, this is an iPad mini, or you can use one of these contraptions, which this one is made by a company called Skyread. It fits in the arms and then your tablet goes right in the top. It's very small, it folds up very compactly, takes up no space in my camera bag. That's what I use most often. But no matter which way you attach your tablet, the trick to making this work is in the cabling. That little cable, that 3-inch cable that goes from your controller down to your phone is not going to reach all the way down to your tablet. So you have to use the USB port that DJI has conveniently put right on the back of your controller. Just use your regular charging cable from your tablet and just put one end in the USB port, the other end you can put into your tablet and it works fine. The trick is this. First, you have to disconnect the little cable from the controller. If you leave that little cable plugged in, it disables this USB port and this system won't work. So take out that cable, tuck it away in your camera bag so you won't lose it, and then just use your regular charging cable in the USB port on the back to your tablet and you will be all set.